I am Faisal and you're watching English Voice. Today in this video I am going to discuss the fear and the phobia that the English learners face in the beginning. So what is actually that fear? When a new learner goes to learn English speaking or spoken English, he has a fear. Means many students, they complain that, sir, when we go to speak, we forget everything. We say, okay, what is the reason? The reason is we think that the person we are talking to has better English than us, and that is the factor that make us stop, that make us hesitated, and that make us afraid of speaking. So we should not think about it. This is the main reason that we think that we are being judged by the second person we are talking to. If we wipe this factor, if we wipe this thing from our mind, so we can speak fluently, we can speak with daring, we can speak with confidence. So this factor we have to keep aside, then we will definitely speak what is in our mind. Okay, so this is the one reason that we become so hesitant. Second thing, some people are naturally shy. When they go to speak, they feel shyness, and due to that they do not speak properly. So if you have this factor, if you are a person who's shy when you speak in front of people, so you should work over it and keep aside this and come over it, and this will also help you to be a good speaker. And the third and important thing what the new learner face is MTI. You must be thinking, what is MTI? MTI is mother tongue influence. Yes, what happens, we generally have our mother tongue, and when we go to speak, we think in our mother tongue first, then we translate it into our mind, then try to speak. So one thing I want to say you that a language cannot be translated into another language 100%. It means you cannot translate everything into any other language word to word. If you go to do that, it will definitely destroy the beauty of that particular language. For example, I tell you, there is a sentence in English, I know English. If you translate this into Hindi, so the translation will be मैं इंग्लिश जानता हूँ. But generally what we say मुझे इंग्लिश आती है. So I would say मुझे इंग्लिश आती है, but there is no word come into the sentence I translated, I know in English. So if you translate this word to word, so it will be like English comes to me. It will kill the beauty of the English language. So up to certain extent you can translate some sentences into any other language 100%. For example, I would say my name is Faisal. So this sentence I can translate 100% into English language. I would say my name is Faisal. Okay, so this is also one thing. So for that, what you have to do, you have to start thinking in English language. I have one video over it. I will put the link into inbox. You can watch that. Okay, so this is very important that we should start thinking in English, then we will come over this MTI factor, mother tongue influence. And the last and important thing is LKK. Now you must be thinking, what is LKK? LKK is not any abbreviation of English. It is the abbreviation of three Hindi word. Log kya kahenge? What will people think or what will people say? So generally this happens. Many students are the victim of this LKK. They think that, oh, my friends are laughing when I speak, my relatives are they are also making fun of me when I speak, they are criticizing me, taunting me that at this age you are learning, you are not able to speak properly. So I always say them, never think of those people, because if you think them, you will not learn and you will never be a good speaker. There is a saying in English language, many minds, many mouths. Means you cannot fulfill all, you cannot satisfy all. So what you have decided, try to achieve that. If you have decided to be a good English speaker, you just go on speaking. This is the important thing. What LKK, what log kya kahenge, what people say, what your friends saying, laughing, criticizing, let them do. How long they will criticize and laugh on you. One day they will definitely say that yes, we used to make laugh of him, but he has improved, he has become a good speaker. So this is the very important thing that you have to do. The important thing is, the last point is, you have to develop the speaking habit, because this is also very important. You will find many people, they have great knowledge, huge knowledge of English language, but they do not speak properly. The reason is they do not have a speaking habit. So you have to develop the speaking habit also. I hope these all tips will help you. So watch again and again and see what tips I have given you, and try to overcome those all fears factors. Thank you very much. If you are watching my video first time, do subscribe, like, share and comment. If you like my video,